Bob, have you ever had a case where you have footage from a Tesla vehicle of all the videos?
So I have not, but I know that you actually won a case by doing this.
Yeah, but Teslas have, if you turn it on.
When they're not at fault, they
I used to have a Tesla, and I never turned on all the features, but you could turn on where it records.
Yeah, I keep it on me at all times.
And everything.
It's only screwed me, but I...
Yeah, so you have a Tesla?
Yeah. So. Here's the video of my DUI. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh Jesus! What have I done? Oh gosh! What if the cops come? I'm drunk. Like that was literally like it couldn't have been worse for me to have all that.
You've actually seen that video?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, my attorney's got all that, and then me running. There's got side cameras showing me running. So but yeah, I know it records because it was.
I feel like you're fast.
Mortifying.
You're tall. You probably run like a deer. Like
I do run very
perfect stride.
Very gazelle.
Like hold a potato chip.
I have this case right now where this guy, a motorcyclist, rear-ended my client's car at like 90 miles an hour. The motorcyclist. And the footage is so nuts because you see him hit the car, but it's from the Tesla that was parked behind my client's car. And you see him hit the car, and instantly you see him go one way and his lower body go the other way.
Oh, no.
He's like chopped in half, the guy. So he's severed in half. So part of his body flies this way, part of it flies that way.
Someone called David
And,
Copperfield.
and the video from the Tesla shows the motorcycle coming down on the shoulder, just racing another motorcycle, and they go right by the Tesla, and as soon as they go by the Tesla picks up the footage again when they go past, and you see the entire accident.
Who's suing who? Like who?
Well, my client's car was totaled.
Okay.
Her airbags even, she got hit so hard, like a rocket hit her. She stopped in a Prius and gets hit by a big motorcycle going 90 miles an hour.
She's like, sue him, and you're like, he's dead.
Yeah,
who do we sue?
Insurance company.
It's always insurance company, by the way. We've never.
And she's traumatized too. It's like his legs like land.
Of course, yeah. It's mortifying to see something like that.
It's crazy.
Yeah. I used to work at a hotel, and they brought this old man that passed away, and I was like kind of rattled by it. And then the whole day I was kind of it was real. I don't want to describe how gruesome the old man that killed himself looked like, but then later on, years later, someone told me yeah, they have to let you off of work that day because you witnessed something like that. They have to let you go home. I was like, well, I wish I'd have known that.
Don't tell that to my office. Because one time I had an attorney in my office died in the office, 9 in the morning, and they wouldn't take him because he just had a massive heart attack and just died. I told you this story, right?
No.
I mean, it's not funny, but he had a massive heart attack and just the fire department guy told me this guy was dead before he hit the floor.
Yeah.
But I was like, you can't fucking leave him here. Take him with you.
Yeah, exactly.
Get him out of here. It's we don't transport dead people. That's what the fire department guy told me. You got to wait for the coroner. I'm like, well, where's the fucking coroner? They're like, yeah, they'll be here.
They'll be here on Tuesday.
I was like, well, when? They're like, I don't know. They don't work for me. So this was 9 in the morning, and I was like, well, shit, man. So they just threw a sheet over him. We just locked the door to his office.
Oh,
I was taking a deposition.
No, he's doing a banana slip and fall.
Yeah, I mean, well, what am I going to do, man? I mean, they were waiting for the coroner, and the coroner showed up.
The weirdest thing I read about this, so it's not a first person or anything, but I don't know if you guys heard about this case. Someone died on an airplane, and the family was so traumatized because they just lost a loved one that they were like, well, it'd be in the best interest of the family. Let's just get them to first class. We're going to upgrade them to first class. We have open seats. Put them up here. But now the people in first class have to hear this family that's crying and being very because they lost a loved one. So that's okay. No one should be upset. These things happen. But they took the dead body of the person and put it in a seat next to a guy who isn't in the family. So there's a family crying and then a dead body, and he claimed that the dead body kept falling on him, and then
this is from Weekend at Bernie's.
No, this is real. This is a real court thing. And then it was sliding underneath the seatbelt because it's it's not sitting correctly. And the guy sued the airline and said I at least get a free first class ticket. That was not first class. And the airline doubled down and it was no, this is just a thing that happens. That guy was dead. You're being too sensitive about that. I was like, dude, this guy's poor guy. You have to sit by a dead body even for 5 minutes is too long.
Yeah. That's crazy.